I looked into the AirView Pro 4 drone, and honestly, it shows all the signs of being one of those overhyped gadgets you see in aggressive online ads. The marketing claims things like 4K video, long battery life, and advanced stabilization. But when you dig deeper, none of it is backed by real specs or independent reviews. The photos and videos used in the ads look like generic stock footage, the same ones used by dozens of low-quality drone sellers. Another red flag is pricing. The drone is often advertised at a massive 70% off discount, dropping it to a price that's way too cheap for any device claiming true 4K stabilization. Real drones with those features cost significantly more. I also checked customer feedback, and most of the reviews you'll find are either anonymous or clearly promotional. People who've actually purchased similar drones often complain about flimsy build quality, short flight time, poor camera resolution, and no customer support when something goes wrong. So is the AirView Pro 4 legit? You'll probably receive something, but it's unlikely to match the promises. It's not a high-end drone. It's closer to a toy disguised as a premium product. I'd be cautious and look for better reviewed alternatives.